Yeah, Sipembule, we happy for him, fit. I'm very excited. One of the best talent. Yala Zipola le. AFCON. If he can remain focused and humble. Usipona ke khas uzokhasa mfana after 60 akusimaster. Abambekanga rifle lenko. Akayeki indambuzo ntwana. Kwamanje there's a lot of things he can achieve. Nyakutshela 2 games bafana. This boy, if he can play Pirates, 1 game, 2 game can change his life. Everybody can ngaba semathi like into engizokulodge man. Everybody talk khuluma ngaye. Because class is permanent bafethu. So see people realize izinto ezimina lezi izinto akekho ozalwa khasa man. It's finance, we know, peer pressure, a background where you come from. Awukhulanga ngaleyo nto. So I think mina I can advise we others uyolimala kakhulu.
Yona le talented but nje manje vele lapha kumele akhule manje yabo. Ngoba manje lena I think manje kuye kuzoba ila chance
Yokugcina.
Kuzoba i-chance yakhe. If akaziphathi grand awuzoba ne-problem enkulu.
Ngoba njengoba washa ngegcineni.
Ngeke egcine wena futhi manje. Maningi ama-players, sibe nama-player best even before thina. The best players mara bangaziphathi grand. Apheleliphi?
Aplayer we-Pirates. What discipline? Ngokuzwanga indaba ezi-wrong bathu bameze yadakiwe. I think mangafika ku-Pirates afunde le nto yenziwa ama-player boTito, Kabelo Dlamini, ngoba they so humble, ba-discipline, uyayithola le nto leyo. Yeah, I think uzoba mnandi. Yeah. Just ngamele adlala ibhola nje.
Junior Kanye himself, 1520 mfana sevutha without waste isikhathi. Junior Kanye TV. Peteza Sekaslam. Don't forget, bet with the best. Don't forget Well Sport Betting. Hashtag Well Sport Betting. Hashtag bet with the best. Angiphethe uThabiso Skapi Malazi. Clever munjani mfethu?
Yempilo nje gogo.
Yeah. Mzumbe.
Wona.
Michael Zizu Nkambule. Without waste isikhathi mana uthi si rap sikhuhluluze. Yeah, mfethu man ngifuna big news in South African football. Sikhulume ngale topic last week. 2 weeks ago about Sipembule. Sipembule umfana nathi besithi no. Manje is kissing his chances goodbye. All of the sudden siyavuka na ama news phambana na obusweni. Kusayini coach kusayini uSipembule. Sipembule is currently Orlando Pirates player. Chance being aswene honest. Ngizocala ngawe Michael. Is it surprising for you?
Mina into engingayisho nje fair square ukuthi it's not surprising. Into nje sifuna ukuyibona ngoSipho nje sifuna ukumbona adlala ibhola. Sifuna ukumbona pheka the way bekapheka ngakhona uChef. So simjabulele kakhulu into esifuna ukuyibona nje kuye ukuthi nje atshintshe discipline adlala ibhola. Sifuna ukumbona kuAFCON.
Thabiso, when mfana, are you surprised of
No, mina le way ngibona ngakhona nami ukeda kulento uRoy ayikhulumayo angikho surprise ngoba definitely one of the best. Yalikele ibhola le yabandoda ngiyayibona lento le. So but kakhulu mina be expect ukuthi maybe Kaizer Chiefs. Ngoba iKaizer Chiefs yamdinga kakhulu. Ngoba ngwathapeka umbule one of the best, but iPirates nayo ulonina Mfokeng, Maswangai, Abonkota. I'm not surprised. Kyalikeni ibhola. So ku-Pirates sizwela uRoy asho ukuthi sifuna ukumbona dlala. Besikhuluma ngaye last week. So surprised ukuthi naku usayine iPirates. So sifuna ukumbona dlala ibhola. Like as you know, Salt from development, you know, culture yakhona, we eat soccer, we sleep soccer, we drink soccer. So into melabula we Triple G. Makafika lapha yana ngoba if uzomosha futhi izobe seyachaya yabona lento le. But I'm not surprised ngoba best ngoba umbonile nakusikhukhuni udlalile kakhulu. It's just kube ile mistake ayiphindile wayenza ku Sundowns, but si positive ngaye. Yeah, I'm positive ngaye ukuthi ubonile nabantu ba complainile sicomplainile. Hayi ukuthi sa complain, siyamkhuthaza, uyintwana siyamthanda, sibuya kuyo kulama mistake esiwayenzile. So asifuna abuyele back kulento esayenza, uyayithola lento. So it's up to yena ukuthi manje afocus. Pirates it's a big team kakhulu, especially ama supporter wakhona uyawaza njani, uyayithola lento le. So umishela yonke into elifini season abe nesizini emnandi. All into mele yenze nje I discipline. Yeah, nothing else. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I'm surprised. Mina ngizoba nevar. Mina, I'm truly surprised because Pirates is a big team. Pirates is a team engayifuni into engcolile yabona. Pirates they rather let you go. Yabona, you can be whoever. Yabona, there's a couple of players go Pirates abeney'kandala. Top class players. And they need to release them. Mina Pule Sadi ube nescandal.
Scandal.
One of the top class player for Orlando Pirates. Prove himself, never played. Sekunama issue. Thembinga Siluchu be9 ikanda ne Pirates left. The list goes on. So I'm surprised Pirates ukuthi imsayine. It goes back kulento last angisakhumbuli bengikhuluma nobani one of the journalists ngithi I think umfana wenza lento on purpose. Yabona? I think I wenza lento on purpose because uSipho cannot Sundowns release nga same thing. Same mistake ayiphinde kusikhukhuze. Kwazi ukuthi uloniwe. And isikhukhune release you. I set up ngoba Pirates angazivume kanjani. Well done in terms of the talent. I am doubt. I start as usho Thabiso now Michael. Asijabuleli uSipho asifuna ukubona umuntu akhawutheka mfana. Yabo. We're not saying siyampress. Sifuna ukubona untwana go AFCON manje.
Yeah.
And bear in mind, once the preseason can start, I can still see, special playing for Pirates now. Usemnyango AFCON manje. Yabo, once it can stay, because you guys tune Paris break it to one mistake azoyenza la, career can end. So, uSipho sicela senze the favor man. I'm excited. Also, I'm surprised and excited, I need to be honest. And uSipho nje bengicela dlala ibhola mfethu. Siyamthanda uSipho. Well, the reason we speak about his name is one of the best. Izinje abathi azikhonkhothi imoto emile. Yabona. Abantu bakhuluma ngento abayibona imuva. So uSipho there's something good ayenzayo. So one of the best cela nje uSipho adlala ibhola mfethu and Pirates they need that position. What do you think when Thabiso Mfana Pirates needed that position, especially a central midfield?
Yeah, I think they need kakhulu ngoba mangathi abheka like sibonile Makhawula udlalile kakhulu pick up kuye yabonisile usho ukuthi utshengisile ukuthi i-age is just a number. Yeah, as long as uspana yonke into izohamba straight yayibona. So kuPirates uzoclicka ngoba plus uyabona ushukela ukhona. Ngoba iculture yakhona iculture la eMzansi ushukela uyafuneka. So lapha yana uyofitha kamnandi it's up to yena. Ngisa emphasize namanje ngithi it's up to yena ukuthi a focus. Yayibona. Yaka focus boma 5 years. Uzobona sintshela usho ukuthi mangacala nepreseason nePirates yeah, angazithola le ku AFCON naye. Uyayithola lento lo ngoba siyamdinga. Yeah, akusithi la e-studio kuphela South Africa as a whole. Siyamdinga ngoba talented.
Ayi kakhulu.
Uyayithola lento lo. Yeah.
So Michael, what do you think wena mfana kule question engibuza uThabiso?
Njengawusika man unakhotmane ne man. Le intwane talented kakhulu intwane sifuna idlalele bafana but manje sekup to yona manje ukuthi lapha ku Pirates uzoziphatha kanjani. But into engibonile lapha akasayinanga nje kunama clauses ambindayo naye lapha. I don't think nje bebazovele bamsayine that simple bamazi ukuthi uhlupha kanje Pirates club enkulu. I think kuye lapha ngama clauses but nenye into esicela kuwe man uNkulunkulu umphile enye chance from Sundowns udlalela iPirates manje into esicelayo nje na kuwe ukuthi abe discipline kuphela nje adlala ibhola.
So do you think iPirates just ukuthi ngiyele back kule question, do you think Pirates needed that position?
Yes, they did because if you can check sometimes kulabe banokusebenzisa khona if uTito bekangekho abanayo like umuntu esesikhathini esiningi bebasebenzisa uKabelo. Let's say uMakhawula or uTalent bebasebenzisa ipairing yakakabelo no Talent. I think uSipho naye can be paired with one of the two between uMakhawula no Lontuza no Talent or uMakhawula bese bamphere noSipho Mbule and then behind they can have uTito Masangwayo. You understand? Because if you can check uTalent no Makhawula, they're more of a similar players because more of defensive than uLontuza. So uSipho is more of a playing player. Umuntu othanda ukudlala. You understand? So I think uzokhona no complementa uMasangwayo kahle.
Can you imagine kuPirates the legends lamfana?
Yeah, phela ukene manje so ukele iPirates mabaphethe nabombule kanje kushuthi kube kurafa yena bebamthinga
Hayi na bevamdinga.
bebamthinga
Yeah, ne.
bebamthinga kakhulu
But why Kaizer Chiefs left the boy, let the go home? Mfethu imiyeka kanjani njengoba asho uChabiso.
yeah
They needed their position. Bebamfuna belamfana odlala lapho. Uzobaphekela. Angithi ucela ukhona ucele manje. They saying obvious ucela umbone ukuthi uyakwazi ukuyihlanganisa. Umfana uthola umbule lapha yana bamiyeka kanjani mfana?
yabona uChief naye imisila angazi mina kuhambeni ngoba mina definitely bengizitshela ukuthi iChiefs
Uzosayina.
izomsayina bengitshela ukuthi uJunior Kaizer uzomlanda bambonile and iChiefs last season benginalo lelo play with due respect kulama play weKaizer Chiefs Kaizer Chiefs kumele sign like uRoy shilo ukuthi angeke ukeep icheck uthi uyosign kumele mawusayina usayina iplay waziyo ukuthi liyodlala liyayikena iculture yeKaizer Chiefs yayithola liyayikena leyo batch
Yeah.
hayi umuntu ayodlala ngoba mangathi abheka iKaizer Chiefs ya recently it's almost 10 years thina mahlala sibe ifataless sithathe kwasara ngoba senzani sibuya ku development siyayazi culture mawungena lapha egroundini ukuthi kuwe uexpectwe ini and awenzeli wena wenzela nama supporter ngoba what we are is because of ama supporter not ama supporter nothing so bengespecte ukuthi iChiefs izomsign but na iPirates fast plus amkena ivini yabo la uyashesha babonile ukuthi hey uyayithola
Direct. So my Ken mfethu mina endaba nami ngidisappointed ukuthi besifuna ukubona ama team ayi3 ayo compete ku Champions League. iChiefs next that other year ngoba ku top 8 ayikho. Because yazi mfana lento esikhuluma people might take it like Chiefs ayikho ku top 8. Akusinto okudlala. We grow up there mfethu Chabiso and I think it's set. We can go around the bush. It's set. And they've been doing kulama signing I saw they've been doing this whatever they've done now bebayenza lento yeni ukuthi baliyeke iplayer eliquality elideserve ukudlala lapha elingabasiza yabo like for now apolice I see suspect Pirates will sign him okay
ngoba ne Sundowns ngoba uyabona iPirates ne Sundowns I think since Sundowns ubona dominator PSL CAF phela na ku FIFA excellent performance quality uyayibona akusuba nobani ongacompete no Dortmund akekho uyayithola but bakhonile ucomputer badlala well done kubo kakhulu uyayithola lento abo Apollos nabo iChiefs bakumele kahle vele igijimele bona uyayithola lento
bule Apollos
abo Pasitieni yiwo ama player ukuthi kumele bagijimise wona
get the goalkeeper proper goalkeeper
like ushilo goalkeeper recently wanokuno bobona uyayithola mabangathola nama center back yabona badinga uRafushila iChiefs yamele basign I think kumele basign plus minus I think 10 players jo ngoba
even 15
bona mele basayine
ngoba ayikabi ama player adlalile kule season ayabalwa ngoba umunye uyadlala weekend le the next week uflat uyayithola lento so iba buhlungu kakhulu uyayibona manje since lusho ayikho ku top 8 it's almost 10 years bawine icup recently icup la khona alinconvincanga bayiwinile but uyayithola lento so I think banida ukusayina ama player and quality players and emele baqalele futhi lento lebe sibuya kuyo ukuthi i-development important ngoba besazi ukuthi season makuba pre-season i-reserve side kunama player 7
quality players
and bayadlala bahlala bakhona ku-18 hayi basayini player like uyayibona iPirates yenza sayina bathatha ama player ku DDC bayenzani labafana bayadlala uyayibona lento leyo look at lo mfana lo dlala emuva umbokasi
like a season player
futhi the way yadlala ngakhona uza ngikhumbuze uJohn Umbulelo strong everything discipline
compose
everything uyayithola lento le so iChiefs meligeleze uSundowns nePirates ngoba yayibona iPirates neSundowns especially Sundowns mabasayina iplayer maliqeda ukudlala liyaklika ungathi dala lapha yana
because of
Right.
dala bal-assessa and
Thank
indlela ilento bubuyela kuyo lento thi they don't just sign whoever who's available. They sign a player ever in need to sign.
Yeah.
So Michael, how do you see Pirates with Mbule mfethu next season? Because I can see they're still going to sign.
Hey, labantu bazoshisa kakhulu manje aka ngaloya muntu lo uzoletha another thing lo hey membona loya futhi loya uthanda nokudlala kakhulu yayibona ke nePirates team uJose ulethe yona lento yokudlala yabo so
Buyisana ama-winger.
I think if ucoach makazochubeka ngalento le bedlala last season I think iPirates izobila kakhulu bona bazobila kakhulu I think but manje they must go and get another striker man yabona umuntu ozoba korela because yabo uqala udlala iChampions League man ekanyiwa le ngaphandle man god man and nangabe ucompete league ngabe ucompete ngaphandle yabo so kumele bazama ukuthi bayibalance ke nayo lento le bazama ukuthi bathole umuntu ozobashayela amagoli manje
I think uRoy ku-eda kulento uRoy ekhulumayo I think badinga umuntu ozodlala lapha ekitchen ngoba mangathi uyabheka mabaso mukhopa sometimes umthola wide unjani funeka nje umuntu bazomthola ukuthi i-sniper like le boy le u-Fiston Mayela ye-Pyramid uyayibona le out quick everything and akumthola le side naye always mawuzoba yi-top striker la emhlabeni udlalela ekitchen bobabona bophinde udlalela ekitchen ngoba yonke into ikuphi ilapha ekitchen uyayithola lento lodlala ku-18 everything I think badinga i-striker i-sniper actually
I suspect Mayela. Pirates or Sundowns they're going to sign. Because man, I choose Aiko Serras, Michael. Le club Aiko Serras.
Bona
mina laba nenye into engibhekile I think nabo man abana show man even management ngonabi man would like
Uzohlala.
afuna ukuthi ahlale or you understand
Ngaba i-surprise ngavela i-surprise inkunzi surprise ya.
no lapho
because nenye into engibona
right uRoy alright
into engibhekile kumele ngabe manje man sebamsupportile at least ama-target nyana bekawufuna i-2 nyana 1 nyana manje at least bekumele ngabe sekayitholile phela sekuyisikhathi alalo mneri shuthi nje kuze kwaphela isizini angarecommendanga even 1 or 2 players
It's tough. And not to say mhlamba kawarecommendanga. They didn't aba-entertainanga maybe.
you understand lento leyo
Yeah, Sipho Mbule, we're happy for him, Fit. I'm very excited. One of the best talent. Yala zipola le. AFCON, if he can remain focused and humble. Usipho naga ikhasa uzokhasa mfana after 60 akusimaster. Abambekanga rifle la enhloko. Akayeki indambuzo untwana. Kwamanje there's a lot of things he can achieve. Nyakutshela 2 games bafana. This boy if he can play Pirates 1 game 2 game can change his life. Everybody can ngaba semathi like into enze ku lodge man. Everybody talk ukukhuluma ngaye. Because class is permanent bafethu. So see people realize izinto ezimina lezi izinto akekho ozalwa khasa man. It's finance, we know, peer pressure, the background where you come from. Awukhulanga ngale nto so I think mina I can advise we olimala kakhulu. As Michael ashilo kunento eshilo. You know once bangidenta nge-reputation you can score 170 goals and rape a girl. 170 goals bazoyikhohlwa in the next coming 10 years. Ngisho ukuthi in 10 years. In 10 years asifuthi thingabali 10 years. I-10 years kude kakhulu. It's 6 days forget that 170. But in 10 years i-rape izolibele khona ukuthi ayirapile mawusezo. So I'm excited ngifuna ubona nejezi number mfana bomnika lona ngoba yena vele mayingena egroundini isika kakhulu
yona le talented but nje manje vele lapha kumele akhule manje yabo ngoba manje lena I think manje kuye kuzoba i-last chance
yokugcina
kuzoba i-chance yakhe if akaziphathi grand awuzoba ne-problem enkulu
ngoba njengoba washa ngegcine yena
angeke egcine wena futhi manje maningi ama-players sibe nama-player best even before thina the best players mara bangaziphathi grand apheleliphi you understand but lama club labe bawadlalela namhlanje sisekhona
that's a set story njengoba uthi angegcineni ivar
ngeke ugcina futhi man angeke usifake
just ukuthi man si lo man do you think Pirates they need to sign someone ozoma sister uSipho Mbuli
in terms of central midfield I think ngosipho mina manje
bacovered
bacovered unless bazosayina mhlambi cover for in terms of a defensive midfielder umuntu omunye futhi lapho uzodlala as a defensive midfielder, but for mina manje I think bazoba right.
And I think Nombule enye into ezomnceda ku Pirates mangathi abheka ama-player we-Pirates discipline ngoba zwanga indaba ezi-wrong bathi ubani uze atakiwe. I think manga fika ku Pirates afunde le nto enziwa ama-player boTito Kabelo Dlamini ngoba they so humble ba discipline uyayithola le nto leyo. Yeah, I think uzoba mnandi. Yeah, just namela adlala ibhola nje.
They need to get the proper number 6 ozomfana nomkhwena and then bamala abadlali ngaye noDlamini. Ngifuna ukubabona abadlali ngoDlamini nomfana seCastles.
Yeah.
Ngoba le ntwana naka uSkistali talented, just that I don't think he's played his best football manje ku PSL ku Stars of Africa ngimbonile mina la ku Farouk. Yeah, bekanzima kakhulu but lapha akekho consistent. So ngifuna ukumbona abadlala ngabo boyithu. And then kube no number 6. Pirate must get proper number 6, Michael. I don't know whether we agree on anything issue.
No, umuntu ozokhona ukuthi abadlali so comfortable ebholeni.
Yeah, link between the defense and
attack.
Yeah. So
but I don't think ukuthi badlalisa boyithu
no Kabelo
because there's Tito also there.
Akuno Tito. Ngoba mangathi abheka right.
Yeah, uTito uzodlala istar kakhulu yeah. Mina bese ngisho.
uTito if akekho. uRivero bekafaka bani? Ukabelo.
Hayi le uTito inzima ngeke ehlale ngaphandle.
Uyayibona lento.
Yeah, it's just that naye nginida man best player for Pirates after generation elwamfana naye talented. If fall ecathuleni zabo bomfukeng abo Ribeiro. It's a pity ukuthi consistency naye yabo ne lifestyle nayo right. I think yabo okay noma ngazwanga ukubi but mina nyam suspect ukuthi untwana I think the arrogance mangayilungisa. I'm not saying izinto eziphuma endleleni but the arrogance grand on the field. I think it can help. So I forgot must ngikhohle play libaleka kakhulu Tito Masonga is and Sepombule.
Baphethe lonto.
Ngokuzoba nzima la.
Yeah, they need to sign for Champions League, yeah.
Yeah, but for so it's good for bona because I think nalento le ukuthi ubani ususpended akusana umuntu ukuthi uzoshawa enhlo ukuthi uzofuna ukupesha ngobani wenzeni. I think manje ne competition na izoba right eteamini na. Yeah, because into esifuna ukuyibona asifuna umuntu athi makuyodlala weekend abona ngathi yena ku line up hayi mina lwela iChiefs.
Injalo yeah.
Ngoba they've got the best 11, that's all. But ebenchini depth abana. Ngoba nama wing right and left they still need to beef up. Our police they can sign. Because Pirates they can challenge, they can take out man Pirates. True. Ngibonile umRemi for me not a type of player for Pirates. Ngibonile uNduli, yes uNduli ngathi they sign him. But abonduli abo Jaden Adams beba grand kule environment. So I'm surprised you was khulumile ngeChiefs why bangajumpanga. Sometimes not much they can sign, which is Rononi Lams njengoba ngishilo backup. So where to Rulani Mkwena bafethu since Pirates didn't sign, Pirates signed a new coach. And where to one of the best talented coach in South African football. Where to from the guys since angasaynanga nePirates any deal thina sonke besicabanga ukuthi izo.
Yeah, nami i-deal bengisitshela ePirates bengisitshela ukuthi kuba uRulani or Pito. Nami ngisurprised. Le coach ngiyibonile kuma room but bengalandeleli kakhulu and angikho like usayiniwa bombuli i-coach na yona izobasebenzisa the way uRivero behabasebenzisa ngakhona na. So but into positive emnandi ukuthi uNciza ukhona uyayikena. I think nalaba baka Rivero base Spain ngathi abahambisana.
I'm not too sure.
Yeah, so ngathi basasekhona lapha yana. So
but Ncikazi is there.
Yeah, ucoach head coach yamanje sanda ukufika mele ihlale noNcikazi. Yeah, dala lapha. Yeah. Imgayithe.
So where's Rulani going Thabiso if I may?
Angazi kwamanje maybe ngizitshela ukuthi maybe uRulani usabheka ukuthi maybe ileague mayicala maybe ama coach odliwe 5 games bazoyenza ngoba I believe ne-Chiefs isambhekile ngoba uRoy right i-Chiefs inama doubt ngonapi nami vele nginawo ama doubt ngaye ukhuluma iVAR vele uyayithola lento le ngoba into ayidlalayo angikayiboni angikayiboni mina uyayithola lento le ngoba look at the coach Sundowns ithe makamba uRulani nabuMancoba uthe makafika waklika uyayithola lento leyo wavele waklika unabo uthatha isikhathi yeah uthatha isikhathi and bamphila isikhathi
need the pre-season
yeah ube ne pre-season nabo everything uyayithola lento like uRoy ashilo ukuthi maybe ukuthi abamtholelanga lama player
Awafuna.
awafunayo uyayithola
Mm.
ubona Apollos basase right ababalandi ngoba uzobanceda lo mfana uyayithola lento lo ngoba nakumbule sekajampele ngalo uyayithola lento le yeah.
Michael wethu uRulani Mkwena mfana.
Mina into engibhekile ngaye manje okay hayi la eMzansi manje angimboni manje kule 6 months yakhoja. I think mhlawumbe uzothola ama-offer ngaphandle because njengoba sibaningi besibhekile ukuthi bekazotake over ku-Orlando Pirates yabo. So njengoba i-Orlando Pirates appointe like omunye ucoach, I'm thinking ukuthi uzoya ngaphandle because mangathi uyabheka these big teams so far nama-coaches manje.
Yeah.
The reason, a question if I may ask, the reason teams from South Africa ngamsign uRulani Mkwena njengoba usho teams is going to be difficult since well besibheka Pirates. Is it because he's not good the guy or is because ufuna it's either kumele kuspanwe ngendlela yakhe or it's a question. It's because akekho right uRulani they doubting his ability because he's one of the best for me, or it's because of Rulane each and every team a coach ifuna team yenze ngendlela afisa ukuthi kwenzeke ngaye yena because of he's going to bring technical team, we know wherever it's going. The indlela iClub edlala ngayo, the philosophy has to change,
Yes.
and you need to bring those type of players azosuit that philosophy, and very arrogant, also talented. So ucolela ukuthi ukudliwa ngendlela i-team ekumele idlale ngayo, ngendlela i-team yakafuna idlale ngayo. So that's why ngibuza ukuthi the reason ama-team e-South Africa ngamsign is because of yonke into ufuna yenzeke i-want things happen.
Yeah, ngiyakuba wena Thibotash. I think bangamsayinanga mina mangiyabheka ama big 3 ayibona lento le ngoba sometimes ba prefer ama coach wangaphandle.
Yeah.
Yatsho ngoba bayazi ngoRulani angeke basebenzise nge-remote control.
Yeah.
Uzozenzela into yakhe.
I-question engiyibuza
Uyayithola le
question engiyibuza
basabe lo ukuthi hey lo muntu lo akatshela uyazenzela into yakhe. So labanye abo coach uyazi babamba nge-remote control hey kumele ufake bani kumele udlalise bani what uyayithola. So uRulani akusile yo coach ukuthi uzomtshela ukuthi sintswela usho ukuthi makeze teamini uzoza nalama players ukuthi philosophy yakhe izoklika nalama player yonke into bazoyenza
style of play.
Uyayithola lento. So lamanye ama coach uyayibona kuba inkinga like ukhuluma into important ukuthi urelease kanjani ama player i-coach ingakawaboni. Uyayibona. I think into elimazana la eMzansi ngoba mangathi uyabheka Pitso Msimani uRulani best but abana spa.
So Michael, just to do you think when the reason teams, let's just go Pirates and other teams, I believe me na go these big 3 teams. Okay, Sundowns they've got a coach currently, can't speak about them. South African teams, by Chiefs and Pirates, team that Rulani I think suits. The reason they're not considering him, the Pirates young guy bangamconsideranga. There's nothing that guy bamsigned like best than Rulani. He's not good than Rulani. I watch him much, but I don't think Rulani has proved himself. And Kaizer Chiefs as well, keeping Nabi. He had a bad season. He lost so many games. We need to be honest, Nabi. Yes, the trophy one is fully like we were fooled by one trophy, but if we can be realistic, get a bad season. So what's the reason Michael not signing Rulani Mkwena?
For me, nagu Pirates, reason engibonile ngoRulani. I think Rulani was the number 1 favorite, but I think the problem ibe kuphi ngoRulani ku Pirates, ne? It's because uRulani uyazi when he comes, akeza i-1. When he comes with his technical team. So I think kwele kwaba ne problem ngalento le because I don't think Pirates they wanted to get rid of uMandla Ncikazi. Because if you can check uMandla Ncikazi, he was once a coach, bamtimuta bamisa ke assistant coach, he never complained. And uSpanic running alama coach like solo kafika ibheka namanje na ku Rivero. Azange sizi scandal ngocoach manje umsupportile uRivero, but bheka namhlanje bafike laba khona, you understand? So into engicabangile ngoRulani, mhlawumbe uRulani makathathi offer, he wanted to bring abantu bakhe. You understand? So Pirates I think lento le bengayifuni. beyifuna ukuthi bona babe ne-continuity kulento yabo last season because if you're gonna bring a new technical team which means everything is gonna start afresh yonke into izoqalela phansi, you understand? So I don't think i-Pirates management beyifuna ukuthi kube kanjalo because if you can check they've done very well kule season lephelile, so into abayifuna kube ba-improve and continuity, you understand? So into engiyibonile bebangafuni ukuthi bahambise u-Coach Mandla. I think that's the reason ukuthi angatholi umsebenzi ku-Pirates. And then ku-Chiefs, I don't think ukuthi i-Chiefs ingamsayina nayo manje because number one unabi une-contract and uzothatha unabi manje you must terminate kune-Nabi's contract. Mumterminate amele umpatale and then uhambe futhi uyosigning a new coach and uRhulane naye obvious is not gonna come cheap, you understand? So I think yena ne-technical team yakhe bayadura vena, angeke sithi ama-coach nyana, you understand? So I don't think good for yena manje. That's why ngithi for yena manje ukuthi asayine la eMzansi kuzoba nzima nyana unless uzolinda i-season ithi yaphela ke or next season because the only team that they can appoint uRhulane mongathi uyabheka kuzoba yi-Chiefs ne-Pirates ne-Sundowns unless yena azavile kulawo manye ama-teams but bazomnika whatever ifunayo na in terms of buying his own players, you understand? So because there's a style sakho uyasibona sinjani lesi sifuna uthenga iquality, asifuni nje ukuthi uzodlala ngabantu
akunaskele
asinaskele lesi, you understand? Technically mele ube grand lapha kuleya
conditioning
nento yakhe ayidlalayo
ring ama-analyst properly,
yeah, you understand lento leyo
because yeshaya yona ingwenya is more ayalazi bo leyo. I mean I respect him because of his job.
uNkulunkulu umgayilende nenye into achaza ngayo uyawuthanda umsebenzi wakhe, akufani nomuntu ukuthi bathi u-arrogant, uyawuthanda umsebenzi wakhe uyambona nanoma bamveza over the field uhlezi kumuntu osipanayo
Him and Pitso nalo Pitso give ayilali phela lo Pitso I've got uskilo coach lapho ku-Pitso Msimang School. Uskilo is like uNkulunkulu umsizi. Uskilo hlaleni yakhe which is he's telling me mina uPitso I know ngithi nakwanda 20 ring span ayigidli lela time le. He loves his coach
ku Super Sport.
I remember.
Yeah, ngize ngiloan from
and the coaches like Abaso mfethu compliment ukuthanda ispan sakho.
And yabona uCoach Pitso kulento le futhi usayisho ngayo enye into engike ngayibona beyi-positive ngayo uCoach Pitso ne mangisuka eFrance ngize lonini ku-Super Sport yazi uCoach Pitso ama-player wakhe bekama-manager like in terms of i-discipline nanani because I remember one time into bekayenza ku-Super Sport these players bengihlala la bekuhlala khona u-Richard Ranchi no-Sense shoot uSense bekaceda ukumuva atholeni lapha bakuhlalisa nefamily lama-player bawahlala nama-family shoot uhlala nefamily uPitso ngabo 12 ebusuku uzofonela ifoni yasendlini athi ngicela ukukhuluma noRui
i-landline
No,
friend, yena like yabona into ebekamnandi ngayile ukuthi like he's not a coach, like he's a father figure. Yeah, understand.
So yiko mhlambe lama teams in South Africa. That's why ngibuza ngoRhulane because I heard noRhulane something like that is doing it and une relationship uRhulane with he dies for his players. I heard good he die for his players and even technical team to banbana imfuna uRhulane if he sees the potential and he sees Ugutumfana is going to help. It's going to help the boy is going to help him, the guy. He will play him. Irrespective of who or lose, he will play him. So he believes in whatever he believes, and just stand sponsor Kemano Pitso. Compliment to these two coaches. But the South Africa, I don't think Paspanis international countries, outside countries, they're benefiting from these guys. And we as South Africans. Ngiyakuzwa ukuthi unabune contract. But Michael, Chiefs, i-release uKevin Antane contract. Yeah, release Stuart Baxter a contract. They did. Yeah, coming
but
back.
But bebaphethe lezo sikhathi.
Yeah.
Bebanani.
Yeah.
Abo Gavin, uyabona that's into engisho ukuthi into different thing. Okay, unabuzile akazange phela liya angeke sithi kuneplayer lakhe alisayinile per strict sithi lo sign unabi. Uthi ufunwa uyi understand. That's why ngisho ukuthi for yena ukuthi it's either vele ukuthi ke mangabe vele kuyomela ukuthi bamrelease but into kumele bazompatha.
Don't you think bamka certain games na manje ngama-game nyani season mayicala.
That's why ngisho kanjalo nami ngithi into engibhekile ngoRhulane ukuthi acoach manje into engayenzeka kungaba yileyo ukuthi after boma 7-10 games then ke sekungaba ke ukuthi ngoba nalo wePirates phela naye
yeah kuneskele makuthi uzoqala
because if you check iPirates ama supporters wajwayela into yimi mayivula emthini ithi ayibhuka yabona lento ukuthi senzani siyalungena icup elinjani so for lona kune pressure because makazodlala angawini icup you understand ukuthi angeka last naye kuzoba nzima for yena
yeah Michael inzima kakhulu bafethu and Yeah, it's a very I'm very excited already. Mbula sign Pirates. I'm not too sure about the coach. I need to be honest. But Mbula, yeah, excited and I'm excited how I see Sundowns the way idlala ngakhona ku-Club World Cup and I just want to see how Pirates nabo display kanjani banombule lapha and they're going to bring a couple of players still. Yeah, I'm very very excited. I need to be honest. So angazi mawuthi ama-playoffs niwabonile. I saw Obit ihleli ku-number 1 current. Obit went to bengibe ne-debation nonkululeko athi teams from Betway Premiership they are stronger than Motsepe Championship teams. Mara ngamtshela mina ngathi Nkululeko must write it down. Lezo Obit ngizibukelile lezi. Kunentwana ethi lapha uThierry Themiko Soko. Not ukuthi whether they signed the boy or not, that's not my problem. But the boy is good. Bambone bambiza ngoba good. But what I see what I saw from the team, is mnandi. Scoring goals and they play beautiful football. Well organized team as well, Michael. Yabo. And it's a pity there's a Tondola Zanga nazo zidlala ibhola zimnandi kakhulu. Nalezi ze-JTR undeshini the chairman elazi ibhola, chairman and coach as well. Unfortunate, I heard the team is yathengiswa. Well done to Devon City. Le usimo dladla usipho usimo dladla zibhola le awuthi and team yayidlala grand. But bengikhuluma nje noNkululeko ngama-playoffs before aqala ngithi mina leze Obit since well idondo lingangenanga ne-JTR. Capture Devon City will go all the way since baku number 1. Team that will going to face number 3 wabo nalo number 2. I mean to say number 4 and number 2. Nalezi kwenye zibuya ku-PSL I mean to say no number 3 uzoba ne-problem.
Cool.
So mina watching that angazi bafethu niyibone kanjani ama-playoffs. What do you think ngawo ama-playoffs bafethu so far?
Mina engakusho ngaphandle kwama-playoff wona akane mangacheka like vele mangacheka PSL streams are stronger than ama-team aku-NFD because in terms of what like there's i-difference eningi because ungacheka nama-grant in terms of signing of ama-players you understand ama-team aku-NFD awanayo i-luxury ngoba ngapho usabhayindwa ama-under you must still have ama-under azodlala you understand when you find ku-PSL ukuthi awuna-restriction you understand kusho ukuthi ungadlala noma ngobani ungacala nangabantu abayi-30 abayi-11 you understand le nto leyo but into engichekile nge-Cape Town City kule season ayinkinga ezilapha phakathi mana ingathi zi-too much. I think kune-disturbance enzakalayo for bona lapha phakathi even if Obit bebathi idlala grand but i-Cape Town City is stronger than
one of the I'm surprised
ukuthi inkinga man kunento ezenzakalayo within lapha bo-committees angazi ukuthi yini lengaka because if ungachecka i-Cape Town City it was one of the teams bebangathanda ukuyenza lento chopping and changing of coaches but recently umuntu uyabheka man ngendlela beba-manager ngayo man it was different so that's why ngisho ngithi man bazozi Obit ngoba vele egcineni bayifuna nangapha balambile bona and laba bangapha bona bayibona ukuthi baleke kangakanani because laba they know very well ukuthi indlala yababulala already understand i-grant is less yonke into is less stadium abadlala kizo we understand so everybody wants to play ku-Betway Premiership you understand.
Tabis, what do you think
mfana? Ngihamba ne-Obit nje ngiyibonile i-Obit into emnandi nacho imnandi coach yabo dala inabo labafana.
It's a director, yes.
Yeah, and baphethe intwana encane everything ibhola labo limnandi everything yabo imnandi so ngibheke i-Obit iyaku PSL nje so kuyisikhathi badlala ibhola bayayideserve bayayideserve kakhulu uyithola sinzwela uRoy asho i-Cape Town City besazi kwi-best sinzwela asho
organization
inkinga ile kamereni inkinga ilapha phezulu ngoba bayadlala but ubonile manje into bayidlala besiyazi Cape Town City ngabona uDada abobani uyayithola lento but manje ngibheke i-Obit i-Obit ngihamba ne-Obit.
So enye into engifuna ukubuza ama-youngsters wenu bafethu which youngster most unimpressed ngikhuluma ngale season we're talking about youngsters now don't is it ngani we're talking about first season players kuma youngsters that impresses you more okay le ntwana leyo Mfokeng was outstanding obviously
Leyo obvious.
yeah.
I
But
think-
others I just want fun
Hayi mina bona umuntu like ongimpresse kakhulu like azange abonise nokuthi young stars ne uvele like ngesikhathi esincane like indlela aziprove ngayo kwaba isimanga ilo mfana lo we-defend umbokwazi lo we-Pirates TLB. I think that one man
Yeah.
ngesikhathi nyana esincane man, like dayenzile inkulu man.
Kakhulu.
Yeah, because ngesikhathi esincane uze-establish waba i-key player. Phela manje mawusubala i-Pirates even noma uyiphi coach uzoba 11 is among the 11 ezoqala manje lo mfana and they still 19.
yeah.
Yeah.
Bright future ahead of the
Yeah.
boy a future captain of Orlando Pirates
Yeah.
Exactly.
do you think he's going to go AFCON le mfana
Definitely.
Uzoya.
Melai.
Uzoya umbokwazi uzoya.
Melai.
No uzoya umbokwazi.
he's going to play there
Akusiplayer linjani umbokwazi like akususoft man.
Yeah.
Uyayibona
Ine
player-
character.
Enze akususoft. Uyayibona ukuthi le nsizwa semakhaya bengadli cheese beyidluphutha. Beyidluphutha ayidlali. Ubonile na ku Champions League ukuthi bekanjani.
Yeah.
He can compete so for yena I think it's a
Nina-
best signing na
phambi kwaka goalkeeper central position
Yes, comfortable, very strong.
technically
So
good
yini into ongathi
with a strong character
Yeah.
ikwazi ukudrive ibhola
yini into ongathi efuna ngayo.
Ayithola
sotsha leya
Yeah, it's
yeah first ngesikhashana nesincane
nani, yeah.
after Sesane another top class player ngifuna ukubona ukuthi who's going to play ngifuna ukumbona uSesane adlala nombokazi ekuzoba nzima
Bazophuma lamakhehla hayi isikhathi siyahamba phela bale ukuthi bagayine lama youngster and uwazi once iphela lama player alincane laqala njengombokazi masekadlala na 19 ukhumbule manje makuphela lezi is no longer a youngster manje sesombane ezilontuzo sizoyibona ipairing akaSesane nombokazi
engifuna ukuyibona le pairing of
sizoyibona
and then it's a pitch ukuthi leyo makivayile bengifuna ukuyibona ngapha ka left man and ngibona lo mfana uNdlozi I know ukuthi they've got lo mjita lo buya le ku Maritzburg United they playing him so much ngapha ka right yeah but Van Rooyen obviously is there yabona I want to see ngifuna ukuyibona iPirates with Sesane center back yeah man no mina iObit mfethu ngiyayibona ngithi njengoba ngisho kunentwana ethi la uThembi Nkosi buya kwa academy yethu so ayithimi grand director uPogiso is a coach nginenkinga ukuthi abantu ba direct ba coach but ibhola lazi out yabona well done to them
Yeah, mara laba ba director bese ba coach I mean I prefer them like uBabuchoma I prefer them than ukuthi umuntu akunika ijob ngikunika ijob ngidirector mina bese ngithifaka ubani ungafaka ubani like so kungona zibambele yena vele
Atshengise.
ngoba training ukhona you understand like uzotshela umuntu ongekho ejimini mina I prefer mina abantu abanjengayo njengoba ngisho namhlanje mina ngiproud ngalela time manje lo uPrice ngiproud ngalo even noma bathi noma bangathi Cosmos yehlile but ngiproud kodwa ukwazile ukumena apha ukuthi mina ngizothatha iblame so manje most of the bosses bayenzani they hire you bakufakela 11 masowudliwa ukumele uthatha iblame yanda ngithatha kanjani iblame ukuthi bengafuni ukudlalisa abantu nobani yeah understand so ku right mangithatha iblame ukuthi mengithatha ama decision yeah so that's why ngiproud mina ngalaba jita baso ukuthi umuntu uyazibambela uyi-own uyazicoachela yeah uzokwazi ukuthi naye abone ukuthi like ikwenzakalani because laba abanye abizi umuntu akezi mara nini ubona sengena iphone call but hey awukhipha uJunior lapho ufaka uThabiso uyayibona ke le ntona
Injalo. I think nenye into emoshayo ukuba honest kakhulu. Uthola lama time la ukuthi baye ba coach dala. Uyayithola. So maybe kulama team seyaba ama manager. Angisho bayikhe ba coach. So obviously coach banokhuluma ne director ukuthi hayi man le coach le kumele ufake ingafaka uRoy kumele ufake uJunior kumele I think nabo yiba abamoshayo njalo.
you meaning people who are next to directors
Yeah.
laba ba-coacha before people who were involved in football and then abangani bama-directors
Yeah. Uyayithola.
hey they kill him bengikhuluma noPalasius kwenye interview le nto yamosha uthola ukuthi i-chairman inesandla sayo somebody that
Yeah.
le nto imosha i-football
nokuthola ukuthi nalomuntu lo ibhora naye akalazi fandiwana
Hey.
njanje beka-loyal to the chairman kuma-businesses
and akahambi ama-coach come and goes yena ufile
mina ngiyibonile le nto Grootman ngiyibonile le nto le yenza
but Michael I don't think ukuthi is killing South African football thola ukuthi kunengwenye close ne-direct la eduze he's not been judged based on isponsor he's judged ukuthi uyaluma nje la emva
Yeah.
kwedlebe ukuthi
Yeah.
no uyotlorile matsa
Yeah.
akavaye ngoba
Yeah.
chairman bafana bale adlalisa imfano lalile any director nje busho ibhola elikini yabo iveli to mang aremmoneka umnikele team sheet le ngoba yes the question there you raising lento esikhuluma powerful kakhulu chance every been kuma situation nibona icoach bayigaya team sheet
sibuya kuyo
11.
bamnika i team sheet 11 ukuthi mfethu mangabe awudlali these people uzodlala bakho you need to win.
Yeah.
Mina ngisabone lento ukuthi mina like i-coach yenza 11 sekempini ebusuku kuyenza 11
Yeah.
ne eyodlala kusasa.
Yeah.
Angisho bana lento ukuthi ayimele ulale phezulu kwayo lento le igame ukuthi uyangi-understand. Ekuseni muvuka banibize lapha manini nalolo ntuza bakutshela ukuthi 11 la kuzotshintsha ubani nobani. It happened.
Yeah, I've seen it ngiyibone.
Emathimini uthola umuntu thothi kune manager kunani khona umuntu oze ne play li grand. Yabo. Le player balithanda wonke umuntu elithanda la ithimini. Kunalo seduze ne chairman. Naye uzofuna ukuhamba ulandela inye player lakhe ukuthi yena like akusi talent lakhe lelo. Ukubona like ukuscout
To scout player.
ama player.
Ahluma.
Understand? Yeah,
Singala
awunayo lento kacha. Nayibona la ngile. So abantu ababhana yinte esuke yenze yonke lento elijealous. Hayi umahlubu uze ne player inswembu. Hayi angeke ngihlule. Kusasa umuntu umbona uze na 7 players. Yayibona nangeke basayine neli1 kulawo maplayer lawo. Sekayicala lento le yinkinga seyicala lapha. In terms of mina ngibekodlala le club but ama players sejuze singama foreigner mele kudlale 3. Imagine. 3 players bathi hayi thina size la ngama 1 year season ama player wasejuzi sizo relegateisa le team. Ma player wasejuzi mele kudlale 3 singama foreigner kanjani South Africa.
Yeah,
I understand.
inkinga.
South African football.
And then after lokho kama players sejuzi mina ngathi mangibatshela lapho kule team ukuthi mina the win street ngakhona ngeke ngibuye. The next thing yazi kwalandela iphepha bathi ngiye A1. Ngibona ukuthi angeke kulwe phela yazi mo iplayer man kunzima.
Yeah, ulengisiwe so.
Yeah, ulengisiwe ngoba
bakuyeke uwele phansi.
and manje kunjani ne musadlala angeke ukhona ukuzikhulumela wona your side of a story ukuthi okay mina I went through this ngalokhu. You understand? Because nalama player mongawathatha uhlale nawo phansi uthi awungitshele wena inkinga like lama player inkinga zibhaya like phakathi kulama club ezenzakalayo.
But they don't have that power.
Mongakhuluma ireason phela because you must know something. Angisho indlu nendlini inenkinga zayo. So wena mozuphuma ukhuluma inkinga zakini estradini. You understand? Nalabo abanye bazokuthemba kanjani? Let's say nami ngitreat abantu the way bakutreat ngakhona ekini. Ngizokuthatha kanjani noma uphuma so ukhuluma lento so. Ukuthi kulendlu leya bangitreat so na so. Let's say na kulendlu leya batreat abantu kanjani.
So my
bazokuthatha kanjani?
Good Michael. So you must keep quiet when you're down and out. And then and then ukhuluma ngayo le nto. Kumele ukhuluma ngayo so down and out.
Yeah, ngoba
ivele like egcine
njalo.
Ikhawatha lapho.
Sibe nama player one of the best, the latest Karango best. Yi out be straightforward. Bekhona ukukutshela ukuthi hayi mina ngigijime 10 laps. Plus bongase umuntu ogijima but bese bambona as umuntu o wrong. Ngoba mawuzokhuluma uyofaka igate or uhlala le ngaphandle. Uyayithola like
the reputation.
Yeah.
Obvious.
I think denting Michael is promoting the wrong to players now.
Yeah.
But you are right. I think as to this thing raise the topic. I think it's a topic for another day. Rento ikhuluma powerful my brother because it is many asishkuta amaplanda swenzanga.
Ngama player now sometimes kwezinye nokho kuyamosha but kwezinye nawo ukuze uthola iplayer bathi selingene kakhulu endambizeni. Even this management bayidlala enye role because you understand.
Ngikhuluma no you know lento le indaba deep mfethu ngoba when we play lento nikhuluma effect just kunifakazela yabo. You will never have ebantwini ngikhuluma nga South African people. Mabangabona something on paper or billboards or whatever. It posted my second social media. They don't have to go whatever reading papers. When I was drunk. Even if you come this way, you were sober minded, came to training. We ask good people will believe that.
Yeah.
And I think wrong, Buffett.
Ibhlungu wena tshuna ibhlungu ngoba mawungathi uyabheka ibulala ibhola la eMzansi and ibulala nama player ngoba sintswele sibuyele back ukuthi uPitso noRulani nabo Farouk Khani ama-best ngoba yazi bayenzani iplayer labo uba yi-father figure uyazi nalabo uya khona ifamily yakibo unokuba like uPitso bekanokuyeza nabo Rulani akuvakashele afuna ukuyobona nabangani bakho ifamily yakho ukuthi environment yala ifamilini niphila kanjani uyayithola but labo amanye ama-coach abayenzi ayile uyayithola lento le like sintswele usho social media awusikaphi udakiwe shuthi noma bengadakwanga mangize ejimini namanye ama-player manager awuthi nginuka umlomo uyayithola yini leyo nto leyo
awusesewuwe
awusakhona nokuzi-express
no nenye into wona Grootman kule nto leyo mangabheka i-South African media is got too much power to write whatever they want. You understand? That's why bathi phela mangabheka yonke into eSouth Africa yenziwa iphepha.
Yeah.
You understand? Ama-agent mawufuna ukuthengisa iplayer yenzani alifake ephepheni athi ubani bafuna iplayer lami. You understand? It's the same thing even yabona shuthi bakushaya lapha bakukhulisa lapha. You understand? Because
so
now
they can break you.
Yeah, because if for example manje phela i-team ifana ne-team ungawula manje ne-team mhlambe ngendaba mhlambe zenyuku ukuthi ufuna inyuku nani i-team engavela kusasa ithi hayi u-Aka akekho discipline angeke abantu babelieve u-Aka bazobelieve i-team ukuthi ithini ngu-Aka.
Yeah.
You understand? Angeke bathi hayi u-Aka beka-right alwela into e-right akusilula ukuthi as a player ube na that's why vele ukuthi mosayina vala umlomo udlala ibhola okuningi uzokubona after.
But we lost so many soul ngaleyo nto leyo.
Yeah, but ekugcineni if mawuthi ufuna ukukhuluma ubani oyiwinayo because there's no one
never win.
angeke uyiwine
Emariphungne
kakhulu
ifuna nje lento vele uzithulele uzidlalela ibhola
but noma uquiet phela bangacina
iyenzakana nakulabo abakhwethe
bheka mama ungathi
even na today noma ungalanda ama-player ukhulume nawo one on one wabuza ukuthi ejo awungitshele kahle kwayenzakalani ukuze uhambe eklabhini so bebaniphatha kanjani. You understand? Mungabheka kwamanye ama-team mfethu ama-player mfethu they are going through a lot my brother hey kuyanyiwa kula ma-team mfethu kuyanyiwa
it's tough ne
kunzima Grootman.
Yeah, no, bafethu I heard and it's such painful yabo as ibuyela bheka kulento nabosipho we know with sharp abanye ama-player bayenza njengathi wenzela ama-flop thina we're not gonna go around the bush. We don't want to point fingers, it's gone. And we angeke uyitshintshe into eyenzakele but there's many players uthola ukuthi amanye they are forced nami ngihlangane nawo amanye ngiyakhuluma nawo off the field now yabo and besakhuluma ngale nto ama-youngsters mfethu have you watched the boy Vet Boy?
Ayinzima le
You watch
Cape Town City le hayi inzima le ngibone kakhulu inzima le hayi
ukuyibukela leyo fight
ngiyibukelile le ntwana inzima le ntwana hayi
efaka number 10
hayi inzima kakhulu
so yeah ku-under 20 show
under 17 kuanibedlala yaFCON
athi ku-50 kumanje ku-Cape Town City.
hayi quality
hayi le quality
into busayikhuluma ukuthi proper development le ntwana uyayibona complete player
buye school ifike incane ifike
kule age
uyayithola le nto angisho yabona namfukeng ubuya phi
school
ku-school
i-generation e-1 ya
maswanga e-Stars of Africa proper development
wesana
uyayithola le nto wathola leyo nto leyo ukuyale phezulu amanzi amancane
that's why ngihlala ngisho ngithi safa kumele idlale irole yayo kulama local coaches Grootman man because if you don't educate these local coaches because yibo abathola le talent sese-raw uyangi-understand yibo abantu kumele benzeni bayipolish from le bunganeni because if unga-check intwana abo-Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns these teams basayina amasona abo-13 and abakusayina angeke bakusayine but bokudevelop in terms of mangithi bokudevelop bakuthola so-grand like in terms okudlala so uyakwazi ukudlala ngoba so uya-understanda yonke into bese bona-ke sebayakuthatha you understand
abanawo isikhathi
yeah so into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi isafa man they must try and educate these local coaches because mongathi uyabheka aba-benefit anything bacala le ntwana from under 6 phela le nto ifana nokuthi umntwana uyaku-after care umisa kanjani umntwana uku-after care ngomuntu ongazange ayesigena uzomfundisana it's like sending umntwana esikolweni mara umistress akana education ukanalwazi yini into azoyifunda uyangi-understand
dangerous
and then bheka but the funny part ukuthi lama-coaches still without the knowledge ayazama ukuthi akhiphe lama-diamond wethu lawa esinawo manje angi-understand but manje masingabathatha sibayenzeni sibanike i-education umuntu azi ukuthi okay, how do I develop i-under 6, i-under 8, how do I train them, because ama-trainings wakhona they are not the same, you understand. So if we can give them these workshops, babanikele i-certificate nabo babe ne-certificate, sazi ukuthi umuntu ucoach under 9 ekasi, under 6 ekasi, but is qualified.
Yeah, uphethe
You understand, is qualified. Yeah. I think from lapho lento sizoyimastara lento ye, because ubheke lento nabo Chiefs noma babathatha kule age 13, like ayikho into abakhuthazayo nabo. You understand? Sekuhluleka nokuthi like isafi protect ama-player wala bachita ukuthi okay, if they take your player, noma i-compensation ngaba yi-20,000, i-coach uthole 20,000, yabona bebangakwazi ukuthi bayenza ama-license. But uthi uyabheka ngapha uhambise, since udevelope kuma 20 players, but still usalambile. Uzochubeka kanjani ejimi nogcina ukhiphisa ama-player lawa developa imali ukuthi wena ulala udlile, you understand. Kanti ezinye zezinto yizobe zingaprotect, uyazi ukuthi nawe masonayo lo D-license, C-license, uyakwazi ukuthi ufuna ispan esigele ungene nge-certificate, bakubhadala imali nyane engathi na ukhona na ukuthi uphile, you understand. Because lamajita ne-passion akusukudlala Grootman ukuthi athi intwana ena-6 uyithatha uyifake
Yeah, it's not easy.
it's not easy.
Vele coach development ngihlonipha yona more than a-senior. Hayi akusi-easy. A-development coach nengwenye kwazona lezi ezisestradini like ezingasi-certified. I respect them more.
Ona uRivero bekahlonipha uDokodoko ngoba uyazi ukuthi uDokodoko makamlethela iplayer, uyabona 7 players yakhe abombokazi yabobani, uyayithola. And then ede kulento le ekhuluma Roy ngoba iba buhlungu, uthola umuntu wasekasi ulethe ama-diamond but akana D-license, akana C-license, akana mali.
Team yakhe inama-J's, ayinama-J's, mara kunama-player 5 angawabala ukuthi lo udlala i-Pirates, Chiefs, Khukhune, nani, understand.
Uyayithola le nto.
So Michael, just to cut, how important is compensate ama-development teams to compensate people who are giving you players? Because I like the topic, there's many teams that develop players. Mfethu abanye bazoba give up ayeka. The teams South Africa bafuna compensate ama-player amalo. They don't want it. So how important is that, Bafethu? I just want to find out.
Important kakhulu Grootman ngoba because i-compensation yenza lama-players ekasa akhuthale. Umuntu angasipana akayenzi nix, akana income, akanani elokishini, but uyakwazi ukuthi uthathe incosi yakho ayithathe ayifake egroundini, abe nesikhathi for yona, ayifundise ukuphasa, ayifundise yonke into, ayifundise i-discipline. Uyangithola wena Grootman. At the end of the day, sometimes bakhiphe esikhwameni sabo badle nale intwana, you understand, ukuthi yena ulala ngadlanga, ayikho into like ayibhekile ukuthi ngizothi lena it's an income. Ngapha kusamele bathole ama-jezi. Umuntu ubheka cabanga udevelop 4 players yakhe idlala somewhere, but i-team yakhe ayinane-jezi ukuthi idlale ekasi. Uyayibona lento leyo. Compensation what's important ngayo ukuthi if you compensate them, shuthi uthi kuya bahambe boyenza amanye ama-player walawo wathetha, they'll bring more.
So compensation, ukuthi bamcompensate umuntu is giving money, because I know sometimes it has to be 30, ngagcina kuyi-30 if not mistaken, they need to give 30, provided the team nabo they provide proper things to the teams. But to compensate umuntu, mina I believe if you bring players niyayibona practically, it doesn't have to be theoretical. If you bring players niyayibona, players 3 nangu lo muntu is bringing players and uyanibonisa with cards.
Exactly.
Yabo badlala league na basuka again and stuff, my Safacast and stuff. I believe questioning ibuza again, must they provide with that guy ngemali or they must buy balls, tracksuit? It's a question.
Yeah, no, Grootman, what they can do, bangamnika ama-tracksuit, bangamnika amabhola, bangamnika whatever, but asithi abamnika imali ebhaya, even if it's 10,000, even if it's 15,000, even if it's just like sithini, khuthala man indoda, you understand. Ngoba naye phela egcineni kumele aphume endlini adlile, maka ejimini kumele abe nento uzithola zubi yonke lento leyo uzoba yithola kuphi. You understand.
I think inento u-eda lapho futhi mawumbonga umuntu, yeah, mka imali, but mina ngibheke kakhulu ukuthi why uRoy ulethe from ekasi ulethe 5 players ku-Pirates, asithi Pirates sponsor ya-Adidas. uRoy labafana labayana ngisho babathathile for 5 years, development for 5 years. uRoy abamnikeze naye i-academy yakhe, i-team yakhe idoku i-Adidas for 5 years
At least
babazamele ini ibhasi, ibhasi bazi ukuthi i-service yabo, ipetrol yabo uyayithola lento.
Paying a driver.
Thank you. baletha i-driver then leyo coach loyo u-right Roy bayiphe boma-30 abayiphe 30-10 then lapho-ke ngiyabona ukuthi umnandi banamabhola akasayenzini ngoba nale 10 noma umnikeza le 10 umnika once iyophelela khona la kulabafana ngoba uyokhipha la kumele bahle abanye bahlala nabogogo abanye abanabazali total uyayithola abanye abantu yazi bagcina bayenza nama-coach wasekhasi bacabana nama-family nabafazi ute wena uthatha umalala endlini uyawuthi omunye akanama-cox kumele wena wenzeni loku umkhiphela uyayithola le nto and ngapha uma uyojuva
and then uyayibona ngapha i-talent kiba bananyuku sodlala kunzima and endlini mawuthi i-situation uyaphepha uyabona mina nami ndazwa ngithi njengale khona i-coach ami mina engikhulisile uZeblon ne uZeblon Masuku lela time labona into engelangithanda ngalela time lela time in terms of football lela time into elasifundisa yona i-discipline kakhulu yangana like indlela asikhulise ngayo na Grootman ne i-player belenza the same thing lento ye-father figure yabo any player join team yakho uyahambekile uthi ngifuna ukubona i-situation yakile ngoba sometimes ngizothithizana nomuntu kanti endlini umuntu bama abuse
yiyo le South Africa
endlini akadlanga lo muntu
ilento le South Africa I think le nto lebaleka kakhulu Michael we busy pointing nabo bosipos asisho ukuthi bheka si promote but Michael bengikhuluma noPalashas le ngalento ukuthi why these teams ngikhuluma nge-PSL neSAFA nje as a whole PSL and SAFA why lento has been going my brother yabo ngithenga ikari ngintwana njengami mina ngeke ngayenza buy ikari license uyibhayile uyanga direct because of the situation ngifuna I was not prepared akuna guidance there was no guidance in me you understand because lento esikhuluma ngayo ubheka nale kaSipho sokhuluma ngayo interest kunentwana ezovela izwenza same thing so mawuthi ubamela ulandela lentwana kahle boy wawenza so you killing yourself tomorrow ufuna uzoba i-laughing stock mawufika kibo lentwana ayinabazali or lentwana le situation endlini mawuthi abheka izihlalela kuTshotshomo it's possible intwana mawuthi ayibheka bakutshela bathi umntana uqala ugcoka icathulo njengoba ngaka manje ana beka isikole ngenyawo mfethu izokushaya man psychological you need to be prepared
and ibheke ke lento njengoba sisho ke manje nekusuka lapho uyadevelop ngisho usesemncane uyakhula naleyo mentality incathulo bonganazo naku suyabamba manje kusasa bathi uhola 20,000 do you think la 20,000 so ufuna ukuthenga incathulo eziningi angifuna ukuyocover le revenue noma ungeke kusho ukuthi ucover iscore mara uzofuna ukuyocover lesa score you understand ngoba unokuthi uhamba nabangani bakhe ekhaya bathi asambe soshaya around kuphi wena unencathulo ezigrand mase kucala ngena le salary nazofuna ukuthenga incathulo sofuna ukuphuma kanti uyayibona ukuthi wenzani so wenza imistake enkulu kulabe kumele ngabe soyafocus ke
ila ngithi mangisho Michael ngithi we've got players go Betway Premiership we can go to teams wonke 18 even ku Mtsipe Foundation Championship kunabantwana abasayina ama-salary manje umfana nga-3 months ahlupha angadlali it goes back kule nto le njengayo he's not been prepared akazi umfana akazi nix yabo ubuye la wherever bamthole ekhaya umfana italent uyashisa babona ukuthi we cannot stand for this lo mfana samsana done first team contract umfana bamnikeza 7,000 dangerous the topic mfethu ukuthi isishawa esikhathi man bafethu man the topic benzima kakhulu le topic le mfethu is the story I think kumele siqhubeke ngale story don't forget bafethu bet with the best #WorldSportBetting #bet with the best fana se Dave John 1520 siyabonga ningakhohlwa ukusupport Junior Khanye TV don't forget to subscribe asolibele swa deliver njengoba sishilo enamanje every Wednesday on